Hi, welcome to the Quaranteened Cooking Show. My name is Joe Marcantonio. I'm one of the teen librarians at the Schaumburg Township District Library, and today we're going to be making our simplest recipe yet. It's just 2 ingredients. We're making crunch bars. We've got 2 cups of chocolate and a little over 1 cup of Rice Krispies. We're going to start by microwaving the chocolate at about a minute, and then just keep stirring every 30 seconds. Alright guys, it should be completely melted. There we go. And now we're going to fold in Rice Krispies. Don't want to mix them too hard. They'll break. You'll just end up with a bunch of Rice Krispie powder in your chocolate. Alright, everything should be evenly coated. And now we're going to put it in our mold or our tray. I lined mine with plastic wrap. You can use parchment paper. I would not recommend sticking it in there, sticking it in the fridge without putting something down on it, or else you can have a real hard time getting that chocolate bar off of the bottom of the pan. Alright. And if you've seen my videos before, you know what we're going to do next. Completely optional. A little bit of salt makes everything fancy. Once you guys are finished, you're going to go ahead and put these in the fridge and let them chill for about 30 minutes. I'll see you then. Alright guys, we are back. Here is our completely solid chocolate now. Let's pop this out and see. Oh yeah. Look at that. Here we go. There you are. We've got a crunch bar. Giant one at that. So you guys can experiment now with your own recipes at home. You can go ahead and use Rice Krispies, or you can use any kind of cereal you've got in the cabinet there. You can also try different things like the peanut butter chips instead. It's all how you'd like to do it. So guys, have fun, and we'll see you next week. Bye. Thanks for joining us.